But it sucks. It always sucks. Because I'm not a mechanic.
It's a little bit noisy. Good morning, YouTube. My name is Mark and welcome to the BMW. Yeah, the BMW. Yeah. We're at the car wash at this moment. Yeah, and I decided, well, good moment to do the intro. Because today is going to be a BMW day. Or this weekend is going to be a... This weekend is going to be a BMW weekend. Yes. Because we're gonna make the list in this video. We're gonna work on the suspension. Well, I have to be honest, we already replaced the suspension. I drove it for about 2 weeks, but it's adjustable suspension. So we're now, this weekend, we're gonna set the car at the right height. The right height. English, I love the language. So, and also we got some paint that is gone on the front. I found probably a possible solution. We're gonna do that maybe or maybe not, we'll see. But this is going to be a good weekend, a car weekend. We've been driving dropped up all week. Hopefully we can continue that. Not now, of course, because I'm in the car wash. And yeah, some of you are gonna hate the car wash, but I don't mind. It's just a car. And I'm on my way to the hairdresser. That's the first goal of this day.
Okay guys, fast forward in time. We got the BMW on the driveway. My hair is done. And we're gonna start lowering her. We got here, wait 1 second. Here we got the old springs. We don't need them anymore. If anyone wants to buy them. If anyone wants to buy them. Stumbling in words, but that doesn't matter. I'm gonna just get the car up, measured the current height. And I think what we're gonna do, at the front we're gonna lower it about 30-35 for now. At the rear, maybe 10-20. I really want the front to be lower. Can you see me? Than the back. I want the front lower than the back. So we're gonna do most on the front. But there's a maximum because more than 40 millimeters means that we have to replace the struts or something like that. And I didn't order them because I think we still want a car that's drivable, right? So we're just gonna see how it goes.
And as you can see, it didn't go so well. The stabilization bar hit the lower suspension arm.
Well, at least the weather is good. But this one is giving me a little headache. I already felt it when driving, when taking a certain corner. This one, you can see the damage, hits the lower suspension arm. That's not good. The car looks like it was doing a wheelie. And if you try to lower it more, then of course this one is too long. And I forgot to order the proper, because I didn't think of that. I just didn't think of it. So we now have to wait until these arrive. So what I'm gonna do, I have just removed this one, take it off, just leave it. We're not gonna drive long distances with the car because in a few days the new struts, is it called struts? Yeah, struts will be here. And then we will install that one, get it done. It's as simple as that. But it sucks, it always sucks. Because I'm not a mechanic, I'm not thinking about it. And my brother-in-law just told me that he already knew that this was a problem, but he just didn't tell me. Like a proper mechanic, he just didn't tell me because he figured I would find it out myself. The joy of owning cars. And what a lovely sight behind me. I should really take the 308 out for a drive instead, but it happens.
2 hours later.
Getting dirty on the driveway. Well, we got them out. Oh, it's annoying. That's a car. Always loose bolts. And there you have it. the new suspension setup. It looks cool. Sad you can't see it, and I really need to paint calipers. But we need to change the tires, and I found the tires, but I didn't get them yet. They should. So I know what, I want a cup of coffee.
2 hours later.
Well guys, I took her for a little spin because the weather is changing. There's a big storm coming our way, so I had to quit. And it's too bad because I started stickering it up. I wanted a sticker bump on the front bumper, and I literally put one sticker on it. It's called free. That's cool, but the bumper is not going to be covered, but we got all sorts of spots in my mind. The damaged spot, for example, this place is going to be sticker bumped, and something has changed because the hood is, but we have to figure that out. But meanwhile, I just took her for a drive. She drives perfectly, and look at the stance. It's way better now. The front is lower than the rear, and she's going to be lower because remember, we don't have the connection rods installed right now, so we're not using the stabilization. But hey, who cares? I really started to like, I already like this car, but I really love it. It's just a fun car to modify, and there's so many things I can do. I was thinking about putting like a race, how do you call it, tow hook, so a rubber band or a band on the front. Of course, I got the rims. I know what I want, but they're currently not available. Waiting for them to be available, hopefully in the near future. A ducktail maybe. It's such a fun car. I really like driving it. So I just took her out just to take some pictures before the weather changes and my day is gone. Lots of other things I wanted to do, but I couldn't. It's okay. Let's finish the day with a little montage. Well, now that we done that, what about the list? Yeah, the list on the BMW. Well, you know, there's a big list. For example, the seats are worn, the steering wheel is a little bit worn, the paintwork is worn, and I decided maybe this car is just like a red rot style, I don't know, just a little bit beaten. It's okay, let it be beaten. I'll fix something when it's broken. If I have the time to make something look good, I will make it look good. Meanwhile, we're just gonna enjoy this car just the way it is. And I really like the fact that she's lowered now. She's gonna be a little bit more lowered once the rods are here, and then we'll see what happens from then. This engine, too bad, is not very tunable. Yeah, but okay, apart from that, maybe a new exhaust in the future, and maybe we can find a way to make this engine a little bit quicker. But maybe we would just should work on suspension, brakes and all the other stuff. There's plenty more things we can do to make this car look fun. For example, the sticker bomb. Maybe I can put it on the interior. It will be fun, right? Why not? Who cares? Just enjoy, live life and do whatever you want. And with that knowledge and that bombshell, I want to thank you for watching. Hopefully next week see you again, and a goodbye. Whoop. I really love driving. Nowhere to go, all the time you need. I love driving. I love it.